aber nicht fair, oder? Oh, das ist so wie es ist. That was not fair, man. I'm sorry for that one. That was my mistake. Du willst mich verarschen, oder? Du willst mich doch wohl verarschen, Alter. Jetzt habe ich dreimal denselben Scheiß eingegeben und er sagte zweimal, das ist falsch. Und ich habe dreimal dasselbe eingegeben. Was? Du willst mich doch verarschen, oder? Alter, die scheiß verdammte... Ach, sehr egal. So unglaublich. Denselben Mist eingegeben. Tja, Alter. Die AI spinnt ja komplett, Alter. Die will, dass du vernichtet wirst. Die will doch einfach nur, dass du drauf gehst. Oh mein Gott, ist das ein Scheiß. Ja, das wollen die Amerikaner. Die wollen das so. Wir kein Glück mehr in unserem Leben finden. Nur noch Hass und Zorn. Das ist ganz normal bei denen. Alles gut. Wenn die das so wollen, dann aufwärts geht's.
Hello all.
Alter, das hat jetzt eine halbe Stunde gedauert, oder? Ja, bin ich denn behindert oder was? Das habe ich geschrieben und ich habe jetzt meinen ganzen Titel fertig gemacht. Das braucht nochmal eine halbe Minute. Alter, was ist hier los? Mein Internet ist so dermaßen im Arsch irgendwie. Ich habe nicht mal Livestream, das muss man einfach nur noch vergessen. Analyzing yourself, man. Ah, no wonder nobody's watching anymore. Krass, Alter. So in der Richtung von jetzt. Drücke ich den Button, ne? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alter, 6 Sekunden braucht es. Twitch live. Wirklich. Tausendstel. YouTube 6 bis 12 Sekunden, Alter. Was ist hier los, Mann? Geht schon wieder los. Geht schon wieder los. Da zahlst du 150 Euro im Jahr. What's going on? Du hast denn da oben? Katze. She gives a fuck, the Plausi. Still watching at the same time. What the fuck is wrong with you? Holy shit. Not even a join, weißt du? Was ist das für ein billiges Spiel geworden, Alter? Kratz dich doch selbst mal, Alter. So ein Rosebud, Mann. Ist ja doch heller außen. Oh, das geht, Junge. Geh scheißen. Oh, he tricked me. He fucked me up. I pressed the quarter button. God damn it. Yes. Get over here. Get over here. Where are you? Where I can find you again. You son of a... Oder der Hund. Du Hurensohn. Tut gar nichts, oder? Fucker! Ja. Ich gehe aufs Scheißhaus. Habt euch gern. Ich versuche jetzt hier Mortal Kombat zu spielen und ihr akzeptiert es oder auch nicht. Ihr werdet es hassen. Ihr werdet mich hassen. Ihr werdet alles hassen. Ja, gestern schon. Das ganze Rupfen nix, Junge. Nice attitude. Shut up. Good things on the Meteor Maker. Your maps are... They like it. Of course. Because I'm not a fool. After actually... Wie lang sind die hier draußen? 9 months or something? Make your maker or medium maker 9 months? They're incredible stupid and the most 80% actually they're playing PC and creating just silly maps. On PC it's easier than on a PlayStation. I'm so excited. You give them what they want, pleasure and fun. Brutality and at the same time actually something craziness. But I don't care. 45% thinks about that one before they actually go off that map. You know, the duck thinks about that one 3 or 4 times a day. Whatever. Smells, dude. Let's get this over with this shit. There's nobody watching anyway in Mortal Kombat. Promise you that. I'll take a board or just playing this stupid Fortnite or something since 8 years now. Alter, der Teppich macht so viel Fusel, Alter. So viel Flusen und den Scheiß. Selbst mein Computer mag's nicht. Ich hab doch gestern erst gereinigt, oder? Aber 100 Pro. Alter, macht der Flusen. Hätte ich den zuerst waschen sollen oder so? Ein Teppich, Alter. Waschen. Deine Mutter, Alter. 20 Jahre vorher. Mit dem Teppich, glaube ich, brauche ich einen zweiten Akku, bevor ich überhaupt am Ende ankomme. Oh mein Gott, macht der Flusen. Was ist denn da los? Billiges chinesisches Scheißprodukt schon wieder, ey. Schon wieder die ganze halbe Büchse voll hier. Was ist denn da los, junger Mann? Brauchst du so viel oder was? Ja, Wahnsinn. Vielleicht. Der Mutter, ey. Mutter, Vater, Opa, Großvater oder was auch immer. Du willst mir am Falschen. Der Typ, der versucht immer hinzukriegen, der ist zwar da, aber der es machen soll, naja, der schläft oder so. Keine Ahnung. Sieht's denn hier so? Ja, ja, ich komme ja gleich. Meine Fresse, ey. Hauptsache, ihr plagt der Leute aus dem Ohr raus. Du Fotze, Alter. Scheiß Earplugs, Alter. Und ja, jetzt, ich aktiviere schon. Du dummes Schwein. Was ehrlich, da wäre ich so aggressiv, Alter. Wenn was rausploppt und ich kann nichts dafür, Alter. Du mieses, kleines... Hat jemand geredet? Wo bist du denn? Limbo oder was? So mit dir. Oh, wir sind am Anfang. Weiter, 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 Mr. Breiter. Hey, Scheißen, Junge, ich hatte einen Livestream gehabt, Alter, das war so schön damals, als ich gefurzt habe, in dem Livestream. Mein ganzer Scheiß-Account gelöscht, Alter. Da krieg ich so einen Hass, Alter, auf dieses YouTube-Google, Alter. Drecks-Google, Alter. Typisch Amerikaner, Alter. So wie es wir unter der Brücke leben, Alter. In Deutschland darfst du das nicht mal. Da wirst du verhaftet in Deutschland. Das ist du Scheißspinne. Hab Spaß. Ich hab X gedrückt, aber egal. Oh, was ist das denn Schönes? Die Scheiße hier, ey. How kinky's Joe's ass or something, or what's going on in here? Crap, leaving, not asking, I have no... Oh my gosh, what happened? Huh? How? I thought... Oh my god, I couldn't do that. I thought... I thought with the chain you can only do it. Oh my gosh. Even with the staff? I couldn't believe that. You never saw that, right? How I could actually do that with that staff? How I couldn't do that with the staff? Where's the stuff? Oh, I can't watch. How? Yes, you can. Hold on. Quit main menu, return entries, blah blah blah. Journal. Correct the viewers. That's the corrector. Concept or maybe. Let's see. No. Panel finisher. No, I don't can really watch it. Fucking shit. I'm out of this asshole. Seriously. But fuck. Living tower, there you are, motherfucker. Let's see what's going on in here. Join in, you mother... I have to watch my trophies, man. Yeah, dude. Trophies. 25% only. We got sent a tower challenge to someone else yesterday, and this day confront beat the conflict about the crypt. It stays complete 10 towers, complete a tower, very correct, blah blah blah. So you're right. Living tower, what? Living towers, yes sir. Become a member of every faction. Shall be easy, right, for you as a beginner. I'm doing that. Factions. You not oh no! Ah, my control. That's a new control. I'm sorry. It's not odd like the other one. It's if I'm pressing 4 times down, it does 4 times, but in delay. The other ones are so fucked up since 2 years now. They're having whatever. Oh, I'm so done. I'm so done here right now. Go yourself. Wow, fast. Thank you very much, fucker. Next year. I think because it's old and you know, old. It's not happening here anymore. Nobody's playing this game, maybe one person a day. That's it. So that's why you can't change or something is cracked.
Choose your faction. Choose your faction.
Yeah, blah blah. It doesn't matter. What the fuck is going on in there? Bronze trophy should come up. Fuck John. Fuck on. Fuck John. No, I need to go to network for fuck on. What's wrong with this shit, yo? Cool. Oh, there's an intro all the time. Oh my gosh, hold on. Got a trophy, okay, but there's an intro, man. Oh my god.
Choose your faction.
It takes a while.
Once a secretive warrior clan,
oh
the
my
Lin
gosh.
Kuei have been reformed by their new grandmaster Sub-Zero. They now focus their considerable power on Earth realm's protection. Only the most powerful warriors can earn the right to call themselves Lin Kuei.
Disgusting fat ass.
ass.
It's up in your time.
Criminal organization. The Black Dragon perpetrates the most violent and brutal crimes imaginable. Assassination, robbery,
is that the leader, or is that the guy on toilet having some problems to find toilet paper?
All members of the Black Dragon clan are currently wanted by the Special Forces for crimes against humanity.
What the hell is that? That intelligently looking sheep.
Hailing from the evil Nether Realm, the Brotherhood of Shadow is a ruthless, secretive organization that has abandoned free will to serve the fallen Elder God Shinnok.
You're talking.
Using dark magic to resurrect fallen
like
warriors, their ranks grow with each conflict, and their nefarious goals come closer to realization.
Outlaws.
The Special Forces is a military group formed to defend the United States from its most dangerous enemies. After the Outworld invasion, they expanded their influence to encompass the entire world.
So Chinese, okay, I have nothing to shit.
A secret order formed by the Thunder God Raiden and the Shaolin. The White Lotus is populated by the finest martial artists from around the world.
I'm on. Yes. She's up. Hi, let's drop here. Oh god, I'm getting shaky or something. Okay, we have already 4 live streams done today, and an upload a video. Nobody cares. Doing the living towers, eh? Shall we? Or is it just me? Ha. Bla bla bla. Was ist denn mit dem los? Junge, sprich mal Deutsch, Junge. Ach ja, Hauptschule, Hauptsache Hauptschule, Ramo, huh? Oh, dude. So fucked up. Hättest mal die Zigarre durchzünden sollen, bevor deine Mutter dich geboren hat. Wird schon werden, hat er gesagt. Outstanding. Absalom himself.
Blood stench. Harvest Mode.
Geh doch mal raus, Junge. Große Ball, scheiß drauf. Eigentlich gar nicht so schlecht. Der Beat ist gut, aber sein Gequaschel, das nervt ganz schön, oder? Hast du auch nichts Besseres gefunden? Geschichtsbuch unter deiner... Na, ist auch egal. Könnte ich zuerst ein bisschen Bier trinken, es ist schrecklich. Hey Gaba, Mac, how you feeling, man? Yeah, exactly, like myself. Cheers up, kein Strott, zu das Goldpresse will ich Jack spielen. You know, oh shit. There's something called finisher moves. Wanna actually do something on it, or need to drink beer again? Cheers up. Skip the fight. Actually, we can skip all the fights, right? So fuck off. Have a nice time. Oh my god. There's no God, there's only a wonder, and your wonderness is your bundle of joy you're creating with your girl. Oh shit, happened here again. This is so useless. Myself to myself. You get. Hold on, what the hell is that? The creep show of Halloween? Hey, we have not Halloween yet. It's 2024. It's February. Man, the carnival. Yeah, okay, that's Halloween actually. Oh yeah, he brings his best of bundle of whatever he wants to do. Skip the fight. Shoot, dude, we have February. There's a carnival in Germany, right? Oh my god, the people are coming around and just looking like... You know, it's kind of, you're a month at home and then you're going out and forgot actually your clothes or something to get on. That's cullish, actually, this carnival crack. Oh gosh, no way. You lost something? I can handle it. Have a nice time. Might bring something up with you later. Oh yeah. Get over here! I just bring you something, and I'm bringing death. What about you? Can't quit him, right? Nope. We have to fight. Oh gosh.
You will taste fire, alien.
No, no, no. I bring actually beer. Cheer up. Actually, I can skip. But I don't want to do. A horrible mistake in here. No, fine. Let's keep on moving.
Round 1. Fight!
Fucking hell, what's happening here? Shut up. Whoa, 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 easy, man.
Round 2.
Living power, right? Yourself, man. I need some blood. I'm thirsty. Thank you. Hello?
Final round.
He's angry.
Get over here, I say.
Alright, you're good. Oh shit, what's that fucking living ass tower?
Finish him.
Oh, I'm dead. Hello? Okay. I love it. Ich bin lost. That was... I never saw that before. Oh my god. You see, that Mortal Kombat 10 still works for me. Oh my god. I don't want to skip. Can we do it again? Hey, I won, right? I just kicked ass. Why he won? Oh, the military was behind him. I'm in the wrong fact. This actually alien extraterrestrial have eyes? No, he don't have eyes. Disgusting Sternhageldicht brew.
You will taste fire.
Yeah, blah blah. You know I can skip that.
Round 1, fight.
What the hell? That's why. That. Very angry, man. Maybe in the first round you need us again. Soccer! Brain soup. Let's get it, bring it in on.
Round 2, fight.
Don't sell the soccer. Ah, what the hell is wrong with this shit? Oh, I got grilled. I have brain? Didn't know. How you can win? How it just... Oh, hell.
This is the end of you.
No.
Final round, fight.
Squash in your redness. I give a fuck on you, man. I told you.
Finish him.
Having some problems in your stomach? Face this!
Alien wins. Fatality.
I think we won. I couldn't skip. Look at that, rewards. Oh, silly sad ass, right. Don't skip. Just wait what's going on. Oh, hey, a low record. But really, that living towers are weird. Yeah, that is. What a 375x? Oh, come on. Grind up your ass, man. This is not fair. Shit, you this crack, man. Premiere your ass, man. What the hell is that? Oh, wow. Test your luck. Test your might. Oh my gosh. Oh, that takes forever, right? Not today. More like actually diarrhea or something. So towers, okay. How can I invite? Forget about it. All this DLC stuff. But there's a trick, right? Oh, I like that tremor stuff.
Tremor.
Can't do. Tremor is tremor. What a Tanya. Tanya is Tanya. Drunk Bolt is Drunk Bolt. I know actually DjVolgin you can do cheating somehow. Actually his forms. kind of an example, right? I don't like them all. Oh.
Reptile.
Oh shit. You're fucking yourself. I'm sorry, I just tried to cause them pain.
What is this?
Crap.
I bring warning, fool.
Fishy, you know.
Don't belie your words.
Round 1. Fight.
Oh, you're heavy doing this one, right? Need my Figuril. Ow. Rodon can jump. Shit, what the hell? There we go. Ow. You're dead, man.
Round 2. Fight.
Shit. Oh, what the fuck, man?
Final round. Fight.
You're first, man. Scratcher! Couldn't do it? Okay, that's it. Well, I don't have something for you. I'm sorry. Much into this crack. Oh my god, only this one? Is it working then? No. Get confused. I'm sorry.
Reptile wins.
That didn't work. Down, left, down, up, or... Oh man, I was confused. Wait for yourself. Need to get a pee. Be right back. Fucking shit. Ah, there's another opponent. Need to get a pee. What the hell is that?
You would risk your race's extinction.
Yeah, I'm not there. I can't fight.
You evoke pity, not fear.
I can't fight.
Fight.
I'm a toilet. I say I'm on the toilet. Hello. God damn it. Time is running out, I know. So fucked up, man. How much effort I was getting on that Reaper.
Fight.
Cannot evade me.
AI created shit characters.
The chill of despair.
I'm still on toilet. I have diarrhea. I told you that. Man. Just give me 1 second. God damn. This is so fucked up, man. Alright.
Finish him.
This is not fair.
Sub-Zero wins.
Sub-Zero wins. And I don't care. Now I'm back. Oh, what happened here? Shit. What kind of a song is that? Oh, Resident Evil. Every day, 3 million times listened? Really? Okay, I'm on. Time to me. Sub-Zero wins. Cheers kan på något slag så vi ska också vid next game. Let's see what the living tower doing.
Reptile.
I've come for you, ice demon.
You toy with death.
Round 1. Fight.
What's wrong with you? Getting old?
2. Fight.
Oh, just my home. Something to shit. Holy crap. Let's do it again.
Finish him.
Revenge.
Reptile wins.
Renegade.
Fatality.
Excitement. That dude with the bow.
Back in your hole,
Let's
Snake.
continue.
Your fear is pungent.
All I'm afraid of is salmonella.
Round 1. Fight.
Afraid of all the slang you're talking.
You should be in Poison bear.
Like a snake.
Round 2. Fight!
What the hell was that? Couldn't do. Oops.
Reptile wins.
Yeah. That's a winner's eyes. Yourself. Handling her the shit, eh?
Reptile.
I would test your
Goro.
skill.
Your fortitude outpaces your wit. Round 1. Fight!
Enough!
You are unworthy. Round 2. Fight!
This is not fair. Oh, come on. What the hell was that?
Will you not see me?
Final round.
Blind or
Fight.
something. I'm sorry for that one.
For the raptor race.
Finish him.
With pleasure. Uh-oh, couldn't do it. Oh, fuck off then. Just these living powers, sometimes it's not happening.
Reptile wins.
She tried. You're welcome. You're welcome. Smoking here makes no sense, right? Let's try again.
What are you, anyway?
I am a raptor warrior.
I never was into dinosaurs.
Round 1. Fight!
Get your part of revenge. Your Jurassic Park is starting up right now. did. Wow.
That's why you're losing.
Round 2, fight.
Acceptable. Wow, she blocked that. Already lost, actually.
Finish him.
Another day, another beatdown.
You know,
Jackie wins.
this is not the end. Don't call you off. I hear voices. I don't like it. Yeah, neighbor calls, actually Russia or something. I'm not sure. Terrorists.
I don't get you, reptile.
Explain, child.
There's a German
Always
that
fought for
pins you
other people's
down.
wars.
Round 1, fight.
Takes a lot of words.
Round 2, fight. Finish her. Reptile wins.
My journey, my dash, my life, my slash. Nice one spoken. Oh, that is definitely better. Oh my gosh. Nice one. Challenge your friend. You have any friend? No. I don't have. Oh my god, I have so many friends. Huh. Challenge them. Who's the worst player to fail in this? Oh my god. Okay. I'm on her. Of course. I have no time for this shit.頑張ります。Tanya.
Fight! Tanya wins.
No mercy. That takes forever. Man, I can help out, but actually I'm out of beer, so I'll be right back. Sure. Consuming your life. Consuming your time. Threatening something. Rise. Lawful. Very worse. Welcome back. This is taking for too much. What the fuck is this shit? Oh, training, huh? Ganbarimasu. Fucking life. Cheers up. Are you kidding me? Hello? You have to stay on that button. I didn't know about that one. Hello? Oh, where are you going? Not there? Yourself. Hello? Guess what's coming next? I'm doing the controller. Why are you doing that? Hello? Sorry, R.I.P. On the garlic stick. Nope. It's not even working. Oh man, really, that's a new controller. You pressing both buttons in the same time and pressing that stuff. That's not working. Should I do this one? Okay, no. Oh, this tutorial is a piece of shit. What are you waiting for? What's going on in here? Come on, this is a piece of shit game. A pressing dialogue. 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 It doesn't. Okay, that's it. I'm done. This is bullshit, man. This game bullshit. How hard it is to do that? Maybe on the computer system it's easier or something. I give up. Let's go, sorry. That's it. I want to go to sleep. This is totally bullshit, man. I tried seriously hard and I have a new controller. 3 buttons in the same or 1 button or 2 buttons. I give up. I'll give up.
Nice.
Cassandra Gage.
Maybe that's why the game is shit or something. The story mode is awesome. Better than every Mortal Kombat just did it before.
It'll kill you.
But the button pressing is the worst. Even I did it with the digital left stick. Couldn't do. Hello? What a fuck up shit. Sukuka neiga desu ka tayo wa anata na igai wa bakkemono. Shinichi Sakura kana desu ka? It's over. All your friends you have just been lost. Maybe. Are you in pain or something? Oh, come on.
Can I wait?
Resting, are you? You're getting
No
old.
walks. Poolside.
You're young.
Umbrella drinks.
Deal.
That's sweet. Just. Yep. Humanity.
Is he alive?
Bear.
Sure he is.
I'll help him. Help your father.
Ah, fuck this up. Yeah, what the hell happened here?
And to think, I was worried when you started dating.
Italian
Afraid I'd
spaghetti.
come home with someone like you.
Funny, beautiful, saves the world. My
Somehow.
work here is done.
Try to do and did.
In here. Isolate Shinnok and Devora. And get the medic.
I think the best medic is actually
We'll fix you up. Help is on the way.
set up a new
You
relationship.
should've seen Cass. Wipe the floor with Shinnok.
I believe
And
it.
even the daughter liked the father more than the
And you,
girl.
you
Mother.
did a great job with your team, Johnny.
Come on.
You hear that, Cass? She called me Johnny.
I think so.
I thought she might.
Come back. Enjoy yourselves. Cheers up! Hello, identified. What happened? It's a burst, I think. And we will have a fight. This faction do nothing, man. Maybe. See, somebody's online. Let's see. If we're going to be a pain again. You got fucked up.
Faction battle.
Yeah, you're a beast.
Boraicho.
Actually, I give a fuck.
Kano.
PC versus PlayStation 4. PlayStation 4 is for me.
You shouldn't have followed me.
You will not disappear again.
So it's a goer.
Round 1. Fight.
Oh my god, come on! Here we go again. Bars!
Shall I show you again?
Round 2. Fight.
Yeah, typical fucking pressing buttons once. You're a liar, man. You're a fucking liar. PC versus PlayStation 4 is just some nonsense. Look at that. You have his button combinations on PC. He's just pressing one button, that's all. Blah, blah, blah. Non-respect, man. You're an asshole. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.